Hello, David here, and the project for today is installing grill grates on my Weber Genesis 2 model S330. Kind of looks like that. I've been using these grill grates since 2015. I have them on my smaller grill. And what I like about them is they reduce flare-ups. I haven't had any flare-ups at all since I started using them. And also I like to make French fries on the grill, and the French fries fall through the grates of the grill. But with these, French fries never fall through. I just run the potatoes across the end. And if you buy a complete set for your grill, they send you one of these things too. I don't know what they call them, spatula or something. But they fit in between the rails on the grate. Like that. Makes it easy for flipping anything you got on there. So what I have is, these are 17 inches in length. I have 4 panels for a total of 20.5 inches wide, and then I have this gap panel that's 2 1/3 inches wide. Of course, it's 17 inches long. I notice the color isn't the same as the others. It's a little bit darker, but that's not going to matter because once you use it, it's going to darken anyway. And what's cool about these is they interlock. See, watch. See how that fits in there? And you can actually lift the whole thing off the grill. Like, let's say you want to rotisserie, you're going to have to get these things out of the way. So you can just lift them up like that. They'll stay together. Let's talk about the rules. Got this handy booklet here. The maximum heat is 850 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can't put them in the dishwasher, you can't use oven cleaner. These are made out of aluminum. If you get them too hot, they're going to warp. So Grill Grate recommends keeping the hood temperature under 700 degrees Fahrenheit or 371 degrees Celsius. The Grill Grate surface runs about 150 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit hotter than the temperature reads on the hood. So to prevent warming, keep the temperature down. High heat burn-off can remove the seasoning and damage both the grill and the grates, so don't leave your grill unattended. And these grill grates are good for charcoal grills, gas grills, propane grills. Don't put aluminum foil, skillets, or pizza stones on the grill grates because the heat could get trapped and result in warming. If a grease fire occurs, turn off the burners, close the vents, close the hood until the fire's out. Don't use water because it's not good for grease fires. No harsh cleaners. Clean by brushing off the debris. High acid foods like pickle juice should not be left sitting on the grill grates after cooking. And watch out for sharp edges. And they also come in round shapes if you have a kettle grill. Okay, to prepare for grilling and grease grills, clean the grease trap, inspect the burners and flame tents, remove any debris. Grates should be left on the grill as it heats up. In other words, don't put a cold grill grate on the hot grill. Keep space on the left and the right of your grill to allow heat to escape. For replacement grates, remove the old grates and replace with correctly fitted grill grates. For use of grill grates on top of existing grates, place the grill grates over the hottest section. The grill grates will slide less as they are used. Same deal for charcoal and Kamado grills. Remove any debris. And place the grill grates on top of existing grates when coals are no longer flaming and allow them to warm up for 10 minutes. Pellet grills. Pellet grill sear stations do not provide full grill coverage in order to allow ample airflow. In testing, they found that there are too many grill grate panels that heat could get trapped. When it happens, the fan in the pellet grill turns off, which ultimately turns off the grill. Grill grates should be on as the grill heats up. If you have a smokestack, place your grill grates on the same side and preheat with the grill. If you don't have a smokestack, place in the middle of your grill and preheat with the grill. Sliding will reduce over time as the grates become more and more seasoned. To prepare the grill grate surface, don't use extra virgin olive oil because it smokes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and gets sticky. Cut an onion in half and rub the tops of the clean rails when hot. Until the grill grates are seasoned, sparingly use grill spray or high smoke point oil such as canola on them. This should be done on the flat side of the grates too. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash these in soapy water just in case there's some industrial oils on this that might be compatible with food. And talking about the flat surface, you could turn these upside down and make a griddle. Of course, I don't know how you're going to put a liquid egg on there because it could go through the holes. But you could fry stuff on it. And whenever you fry, the fat's going to go through the holes. So that's probably good because doctors are always telling me not to eat fried foods. Just like a cast iron pan, grill grates will season and develop a non-stick coating, and they will change color and get dark as they season. Clean the rails during warm-up. Use the grate tool to keep debris out of the valley. Okay, so this is called the grate tool. Rails up for grilling, rails down for griddle. Again, I'd like to see how you do an egg on that. You can create custom heat zones by leaving a space between the panels. Flip the panels over while cooking to help self-clean. I haven't done that in a long time. I probably should do that on my other grill. Here's my old grill grates on my Kenmore grill. Let's flip them over for cleaning. Back on the Weber Genesis S330. The heat is about 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 225 degrees Celsius. I'm going to rub it down with an onion. Kind of smells good. I'm back on the Kenmore. I've been running it about 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes to clean it. When it cools down some, I'm going to flip them over. Oh, by the way, those grill grates that I got for the Weber Genesis S330, it ran about $151, including tax. They had a free shipping deal going on, so they are kind of pricey, but I think it's worth it. And if you are in the market for one of these, check out their website. I bought them directly from them because it was cheaper to buy it from them from any other source. And watch their website because they're always running sales, especially in the spring and summer. Alright, so it doesn't look all that much cleaner. You really have to get a tool and scrape them a bit. It's, I guess it's carbon that flicks off pretty easily. Got some French fries going on. And I'm putting on some salmon burgers. Salmon burgers are ready and I'm hungry. I'm going to go eat dinner. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.